I'm going to solve the equation 3 star minus x plus 2 equals x plus 17 using pictorial method. I'm going to draw my scale, and I'm going to start setting up my equation. I have 3 star, and I notice that I need to subtract x, but I don't see an x on that side of the scale. So I need to add in a pair of convenient zeros. They are exact opposite of each other, so I know that they are worth 0, so I can add them into the scale, and it's a legal move. Now that I've added in a pair of convenient zeros, I can now subtract my x, so I'm going to remove it. Then I'll continue setting up my equation. I'm adding my value of 2. On the other side, I have my x pawn, and I have a value of 17. Now what I want to do in order to solve the problem is I want to first get the number cubes on only one side of the scale. In order to do that, I'm going to take the value of 2 from each side. On this side, I end up with a value of 15. Now I still have one blue pawn that I need to get rid of in order to get the number cube by itself. In order to do this, I'm going to need to do something to the other side. I cannot remove this blue pawn without having a blue pawn on the other side. I'm going to add in my pair of convenient zeros again. Once I've added those in, I now see that I have a blue pawn on each side that I can remove. So I'm going to draw my arrow to remove the blue pawn from each side. What I am left with is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 white pawns, 5 stars, and the value of 15 on the other side. If this side is worth 15, I know that this side must be worth 15 as well. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pawns. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So I know that star, or my white pawn, equals 3. Since x is the exact opposite of 3, I know that x equals negative 3. In order to recheck my work, I'm going to want to redraw the scale so that I can use my values to check my work. And over here I had star equals 3, x equals negative 3. Now my original equation, I had 3 stars. I had to add in convenient zeros to take away my x, and I had a 2. On the other side, I had x and 17. On this side, I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 14. So this side is worth 14. On this side, I have 17 minus 3 because x is equal to negative 3, and my value is also 14, and that checks.